Hello everyone, this is Sujoy from 7 Boats Academy. Today I am going to share with you 3 important tips to create a super rocking Instagram Reels. So let's get started. Number 1 is the hook. Hook is the introduction part of your video. So it should be very catchy and attention grabbing to your client. Number 2, the values. You have to give the explanation of your hooks so that the audience can stay with you. Number 3 is the CTA. CTA means the call to action, means your offerings. So these are the most important 3 tips you have to remember before creating any Instagram reels. Please like and subscribe and do hit the notification bell for more similar updates. Thank you.